Hello, I'm just sharing with you guys today in this gardening video about my burro's tail. I think this burro's tail has been with me for 2 years and it's gotten pretty big. I was gonna move it on the table, but I don't want to take the chance right now because I know if I move it, all of this little viney legs will break. I think I'm gonna do a propagation on that, on this burro's tail. See how long it is? It's growing all out up on the top of the shelf. Yeah, I think I'll give it a haircut and take those and just repot them and make some more. And I'm gonna show you guys what I can repot the burro's tail in. If you guys have a burro's tail, let me know. They're easy to propagate, and well, it's easy for me to grow. It hasn't died. It's gotten huge, like a big old natural. Black Lives Matter. Black Lives Matter. Okay, so let me show you guys what I can propagate and use. Well, I'm gonna propagate some of this, and I'm gonna put it in. What I'm gonna put it in, that's what I'm about to share and show you guys. Hold on. Okay, can you guys see it? It's a 3-tiered planter. 9 pots. They look like they're about 2.5-inch pots, or I don't know, maybe a 3-inch pot. They're pretty big pots. I thought it was going to be smaller, but this is a pretty nice size 3-tier planter that I'm going to put some propagated plants in. It's really nice. Okay, I'm going to show you guys something else. I'm going to show y'all something that I propagated and see how it's growing off the leaf from this plant here. These right here, I put them in this jade plant here. And can you see down in there? Let me get me a pointer. Here is the leaf I put in there. And look at this leaf right there in the back there. This one right here. It has little flowers growing on, little leaves growing on the top of it. Let me get this one out the way. See it? Calicolia, I think that's what this is. Don't give me the line. And so these other little leaves here, this is the mama 1,000 plant. I got to take all of these out. This plant here takes over everything. Really does. And look, the jade is getting new leaves on it. And it's perked up. All these plants are perked up. My look like this rosetta here. Look, the rosetta. This plant here is this plant here. It's bigger. I didn't know it got that big. I guess so. If you keep growing, I guess so. Keep living, you get old. Keep growing, you get big. Let me see. Okay, and then this one, this plant here, I took a leaf off to propagate it. I don't know. Let me see. Is it doing anything? It's down here. Some of these things, like this one, this leaf is propagated. I just have them sit down in this one. Just sharing my little propagated babies. I don't know. Let me see. Hold on. That's the propagated flame plant. This one here, I don't know if it's surviving. And here is, wait a minute, get this camera right. The rosetta's right there. This camera, I got it going all kind of crazy ways. And there go the raggly sunflower bush, straggly. I just put some water on it. The flowers are pretty, but I don't know. And nosy people, never mind those cans back there. I collect cans too. Okay? There, I said it. You see it back there? You're wondering? I collect cans to sell. Okay? Well, anyway, y'all see my pretty little sunflowers. Some of them got big. Now you guys look in here. This is the mint plant. Look at this flower here. Not a flower, but leaves. Ooh, get off there. Right there, it's pink and green. Looks like the pink lady over here. Where's a better one? Hold on. Looks like this leaf here. The pink lady. Hold on, I gotta go back. Trying not to go so fast and make you dizzy. But it's in my mint plant. So I don't know, mint. It's looking like the pink lady. I gotta cut this one down some more. It's straggly. Here's my camera cut off, you guys. But anyway, hope y'all still checking out the news, seeing what's going on with the Black Lives Movement and all the laws supposed to be getting changed and should be changed. Welcome new subscribers. Welcome back subscribers that are already subscribed and supporting my channel. Thank you very much. And what I'm trying to tell y'all. Oh, keep Googling the news and checking out what's happening. And I'm gonna keep trying bringing y'all videos on my garden, crafting. What else I do? Whatever else I do, I'm just gonna share. And if you guys enjoying it, holla, leave a comment, let me know if you want to see something. Oh, I'm not even in this video either. But anyway, family, hello. Ooh, I've made camera cut off just that quick. But y'all see the little flower right there? That's the biggest one right there. Okay, I'm about to go. Ooh. Okay, bye you guys. Till the next time. I said bye. Y'all heard me.